Guatec PMR-171. Massive thanks to Aram for his teardown information just here, because I have fitted the module for DMR, which is just about here where I'm circling, and I couldn't see where the cable goes, so I'm getting an idea now. It is covered up with some tape here, but I still feel like it's going to help me quite a lot. If we scroll down, and the other one was looking for the GPS unit. So here's a closer picture. Be nice to remove the stickers, but I do feel like I could work it out. It looks to me like there's one that's looping round here. Okay, probably going from the DMR connection just here to just here. Sorry about the fuzziness. That's where I think it goes. I will double check. And there's another one that's going right up the front here. Could be DSP. So I'll be very careful when I do the final connection, because you've got another cable going down here. Hopefully, in his teardown, because I haven't even scrolled through this yet, I just wanted to share it because I was so pleased that he has done this. And look at all this audio codec, audio, MS mixer, some messy rework on the DMR PCB. LO RTC battery, bottom assembly. Now this is where I need to find where the GPS unit fits. I'm just sort of looking, see if I can see it here, but I will look back. It looks to me like his GPS unit is there at the very front behind the speaker. I'm not sure that looks the same as the one that I've got though, so I'll have to check they've sent me the correct one, because mine is definitely different than that. I'm trying to find it, but I can't find it anyway. I'll look. There's some close-ups there, that's going to help me. So there's the GPS there. Mine it just looks different, that's all I can say. Keep rear assembly, the battery, transmitter, and wow, this is so good. Thank you very, very much. Please, I'll link in the description, the website. Please check it out. There's even some live video there. Soldering. I just soldered my board on, so yeah, can't wait to use this. And it'd be great to have, if you can email me m0fxb@outlook.com, just a photograph with the tapes removed when you have a DMR module. Okay, hopefully I might find a teardown video of that. Thanks so much for watching my channel. 7-3, all the best.